What's going on? I'm Whit, and today got one of the latest releases from MILITADO. They've been very popular lately with their military-style watches, and this one proves to be probably no different. It's heavily inspired by the Sinn UX series, so let's crack it open and see what's going on. Oh, looks good from a distance, huh? That's got even wrap on it, man. Let me get all this stuff off and then we'll check it out some more. Okay, bonus, they had some stress-free packaging on here. This came off nice and easy. So look at this thing, man. The legibility is through the roof. That's awesome, right? That part obviously pays a little bit more tribute to the original design. And before you ask, no, this is not oil-filled. This is just a standard case and dial. So let me give you the specs and measurements, and then I'll give you a wrist shot and a lume shot. We'll inspect this bezel, all kinds of good stuff. So it comes in at 39 millimeters in diameter, nice compact 45.5 millimeters lug-to-lug length, 20 millimeter width for your straps, and this bracelet tapers down to 16 millimeters at the clasp. Wow, cool, just 10.5 millimeters in overall thickness. And the ML16 weighs just 125 grams with all links on the supplied bracelet. And this is a stainless steel case. It's got sandblasted finishing and has anti-fingerprint coating as well. The bracelet matches that sandblasted finish, and it has screw pins for adjusting the links. Nice dainty clasp. As I mentioned, the bracelet goes down to 16 millimeters down here. You've got a logo and signature on the clasp here. 5 micro adjust, and it is fully milled. There's a screw down crown with logo and a screw down case back, 200 meters of water resistance. Here we go. Oh, sterile as sterile can be. And that looks to be a flat sapphire crystal. It's got anti-reflective coating, which is clear. It features BGW9 Swiss Superluminova Luminescence, and I'll give you a lume shot in just a bit here. First, let's talk about this movement. So this is the VH31 sweeping quartz movement from Seiko. Let's get these hands out of the way so we can see a little bit more of the dial too. Oh, I could have done the 250, I guess. Instead, we're going all the way around to 1010. The adjustment of the hands feels good. It's nice and buttery smooth. I haven't felt that with a VH31 in a while. I don't know if it's this crown or what. So this is a tuning fork type quartz crystal. It's got a 2-year battery life. It's a true no-date movement. It does feature hacking or stop seconds device. You've got about 4 ticks per second for that sweeping seconds hand. And it has a stated accuracy of plus or minus 15 seconds per month. Continuing with the close-up of the dial, you see it's just a great stark white contrast of that handset against that matte black dial. The seconds hand is black on the counterbalance portion, and then you've got red down most of the sweep of it, and then a white tip, again to line up with the chapter ring. The Riot is stainless steel and completely vertical. You've got a ceramic bezel insert here. The watch is also available with a stainless steel bezel. Let's give it a twist and turn. Oh, wow. That's smooth. That's nice. The clicks feel very positive. Let's see, watch that arrow here. There's like a half a click of back play maybe, but it doesn't feel drastic to me. It feels normal. And like I said, the indentations just feel really good. The grip is decent from those scallop edges there that are kind of on the top side or the corner of the bezel rather than flat against the side. So when you're grabbing it here from the top corner, feels very natural. Yeah, I like that. And looks to line up everywhere as well. It's 120 click. Okay, still to come, I'll give you the lume shot and tell you about the availability, but first let's try it on. Today, though, I am wearing, oh man, this has been a favorite recent addition. It's the Comrade White Pointer. They don't make them anymore. This micro brand is no longer, but you want to see a little quick video on it, check it out here. Yeah, look at that. It looks a little small on me compared to the last watch because it was a 44. This is, again, remind you, a 39 millimeter diameter, and I've got an 8-inch wrist for your reference. So normally I stay in the 40 millimeter range, but there's some watches I can get away with it, and I think this is probably one of them because that dial is, or the bezel is kind of narrow. You know, it's not very wide here, so I got a lot of dial showing, but this bracelet is nice too. I haven't sized it yet, and you can see with my 8-inch wrist, there is room probably to take out about one link. It's also on the furthest out on the micro adjust though. And there you can see how thin it wears. It looks like it's chunky, but again, 10.5 millimeters, that's not. That's a nice fit. And here's your loom shot. I'm filming in the daytime here, so the room's not quite so dark. I'll roll in some other shots. But BGW9 across the entire dial. You've got the handset, including the tip of the seconds hand, and all the indices. And then on the bezel, just the loom pip, if you will, the triangle marker. I'm seeing a little bit of a difference in application or color between the handset, the hour and minute hands, and the indices. But other than that, it looks very strong and a nice application. Well, I think Militado's got another winner on their hands. These have been selling quite well, and I was kind of late to the game to get one, but glad to show you this one today. It does come in 3 different versions. So there's a stainless steel bezel, which has the no date VH31. Then there's also the stainless steel bezel with a date because it's got the Swiss Ronda 515 quartz movement. And then, of course, the version that I've been showing you, the black ceramic bezel insert with a no date VH31. Now, these run $139 US full retail, but I believe there's 25 off happening right now, so it gets you down to $114. That's on the Militado website. I've got a link down below in the description. And taxes are included in the $8 shipping fee. Plus, there is a 2-year warranty on this watch. So we've seen a lot of homage watches to Sinn timepieces lately, and this one looks to be pretty sharp. I'm really impressed with this case finishing in this sandblasted finish. And again, this dial just looks nice and clean and great legibility. What do you think? Leave your comments down below. And if you got time, a couple of these videos you might like right here. I'm Whit with so many watches, so little time and money.